Hey, if you want to transfer data from your old phone into your Realme C67, first of all, you will have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and on the both devices, you will have to download this application, share it. Now you will have to open it on the both devices, so click on the open button, and now you'll have to accept everything that will pops on the screen. So here on this C67, we've got the notification to manage all files. So click on the switcher and then just go back and do the same on this old phone. Now accept other permissions. Then from here, go back. And now if you want to send something, click on the send. And as you can see right here, we can find the files, videos, apps, photos, whatever you want to actually send, you can simply select. So if you want to select something, you will have to click like this. As you can see, it is selected. Now we can also do the same with the music, other apps. And if you select almost everything, you will have to click send. And now, as you can see, we have to grant some permissions. So click to open now, accept this permission, do the same for the nearby devices, do the same for the Bluetooth, and allow this one to open, to display over other apps, I mean. And now from here, click to share it, tap always, and then just go back. Then tap next, accept the permissions, and simply go back into the share it application right here and select receive. Now we have to just follow the same, so accept these permissions, click to open the Bluetooth, accept this. Now tap next, and you will have to scan this QR code. So grab this old phone, put the frame into the QR code, and now the both devices are connecting. Now you'll have to wait for this connection process. As you can see right now, we are connected and we successfully sent all data from this old phone into our Realme C67. And now when you are looking for these files, you can, for example, open the photos, open the albums, and as you can see here, I will be able to find these pictures from my phone, from my old phone on the Realme C67. And that's quite simple. You can also go into the My Files if you want to locate other files. So I sent audio file and it's located right here. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.